I used Trello for a long time, but after switching to Asana, I quickly realized why this decision made such a big difference for my productivity. If you're wondering why I switched from Trello to Asana, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why Asana was the game changer I needed. Plus, I'll share a special offer for you to try Asana for free with an extended trial, so stay tuned. Now, let's dive in. The first reason I made the switch from Trello to Asana is the advanced project tracking. Trello's boards are great, but when you need to manage multiple tasks with dependencies and deadlines, Asana's ability to create detailed timelines really makes life easier. In Trello, you often have to use third-party integrations to get similar functionality, while Asana has it built in. Next thing, task dependencies. Asana offers a simple way to connect tasks with dependencies, which is something I couldn't easily do in Trello. In Asana, I can mark one task as needing completion before another can start, making it way easier to manage more complex projects. Trello doesn't have that feature unless you're using power-ups, and those can be limiting in the free version. The third thing I really noticed when switching from Trello to Asana is the workflow automation. Asana has built-in automation tools that allow me to set triggers and rules, like moving tasks to different sections or assigning them to specific team members based on certain conditions. With Trello, I had to rely on third-party automation tools, which didn't always play nice and added extra complexity. Asana just makes it so much more streamlined. Another feature that stood out to me is team collaboration. In Asana, communication around tasks is much more fluid. You can comment directly on tasks, mention team members, and even create project milestones that everyone can track. With Trello, while commenting is possible, it didn't feel as organized, and keeping track of conversations within cards could get messy. Asana's discussion sections keep everything in one place. The dashboard view is another reason I switched. In Asana, I can get a quick snapshot of all my tasks, deadlines, and project progress, which is super helpful for managing priorities. While Trello's board view is simple and clean, I found it a bit too limited when I needed more oversight across multiple projects. Asana gives you better visibility into your work, which saves me time. Next, the mobile experience. Both Trello and Asana have mobile apps, but I find Asana's app to be more intuitive and better designed. Navigating between projects is smoother, and syncing updates is faster, which is a must for anyone on the go. If you're working remotely or need to manage your projects while traveling, Asana's mobile app is a great bonus. Now, if you're thinking about giving Asana a try, I've got some great news. You can use it for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Not only that, but if you sign up through that link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, so you can really dive into all the features Asana offers before committing. So, if you're like me and you need a bit more than what Trello offers, or if you're just looking for a smoother, more organized way to handle your projects, Asana is definitely worth the switch. Try it for free and let me know what you think.